Hey guys, welcome to AnandFX YouTube channel. Today we are mostly going to talk about my real trading experience. So as you guys know, I've been trading with funding pips for quite some time, almost 2.5 years. My journey is like extremely good and their payouts are pretty fast these days. They have zero denial payout policy. That is what is truly amazing. A lot of platforms don't keep up their word, whereas funding pip, and if you're in live, you're making a payout, they do payout, and they do have very flexible plans like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, zero model, pro, normal. There is so much for all different types of traders. So that's something which is very important for a lot of traders. They have the flexibility to choose what they want. They want immediate withdrawal and everything, they'll go for zero. They want to have a bigger drawdown, they'll go for 2 step model with 10% drawdown. They want a faster account, they go with 2 step model, 6% funding pip pro account. And so there are some people who want to pass phase every single day or something, they'll go for 1 step model. So there are a lot of accounts. Now let's come to the trading perspective. So a lot of people think trading you need to have an excellent win rate or an excellent RR. To be honest, in any profitable trader, they can either concentrate on win percentage or a good 1:2 RR, and a good profitable can be achieved. And who said they need bigger accounts to make bigger profits? So I will show you guys something which I have done somewhere on April. So this is a stats on a 25k account, funding pip 2-step normal account. Probably you guys will see what trades I have taken, what is my win ratio, what I have done. We just go through that one by one and I'll explain you guys everything. Before we get started, so there is a 20% sale running on funding pips for first time users only. Please grab that offer without fail. Use code AnandFX for 20% discount. Perfect. Now let's look at the screen. So I think my screen is visible now. So if you guys can see, this account is busted the account, or the account is like completely gone on June 31st. But let's look at the stats. See, any trader, they will lose at some point. When they have continuous losses, the account gets busted. That's normal, and we have to go on with the challenge phase and again live. But how long you're trading on an account matters, and how much profit you have taken on an account matters. If you guys can see, I started this account on April 16 and I lost this account on July 31st. So basically I had it for 3 months. Let's look at the chart. So if you guys look at the chart, so there were like high times, there are again $28,000, then it again back to balance. So mostly what I do is, so whenever I'm in a profit, so I usually target for 4%, 5%, sometimes on a bigger accounts 1-2%, because that's good enough. Why do people get greedy? Because they want higher payouts. People tend to get greedy. So one thing you have to learn or master is to control your greediness. Okay, $1,000, $2,000 is still very good, and it's your own profit. I personally like to book my profits. Look at my win ratio, guys. It's just 52%. It's not like staggering 100 or 200. It's just slightly above than half. Okay, but look at the average win is 600, I'm losing 300. So basically my profit factor is 1:2. Okay, for $100 I risk, I make $200, and my win ratio is just 50%. Okay, so let's see. So if you guys can see, currently it's October. Let's go to when I got April. So April I have traded only for 5 days. Okay, I made profit. Then Thursday, Friday I haven't traded. So let's look at next month. I haven't traded Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday I traded. Then I requested a payout. Okay, I would have received the payout on the same day. Basically you guys can see a big gap, right? So these are the days I would have waiting, my account would have been up and I was waiting to request payout. Once my payout is processed, I start trading. Okay, but you guys see the losses I make, I only trade one trade a day. Even if I take a loss, that is done. 2%, 1%, I take a trade loss, I'm done. Next day, look at this. Again, one trade a day I made. Look at that, such a beautiful buy. I think it was after some market has dropped so much, I got a very good support layer. I would have taken a buy and hold it till Tokyo. It's one of my strategies which I have spoken about multiple times. Okay, can you guys see that the lot sizing is perfect and one trade a day? And similarly I would have done the same for the rest of the month. Okay, and July I would have busted. I had continuous losses, but look at this, I would have traded 1, 2, 3 trades a day. So the lot size are changing because I would have traded a currency asset. I mostly trade gold, but I do trade USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD, and GBP JPY sometimes. Okay, so I lost my account on July. Okay, let's see. So this was a 25k account, which costed me around $110. I am not sure, with the discount probably it's very cheap. But this was completely free. Would you guys believe funding pip gives the refund back on your 4th payout, whatever you spent on the account? Okay, now let's see how much I have taken. So I have traded for 31 days. I have traded 56 trades. My biggest win 2000. My biggest losses $551 on a single trade. That's basically 2%. Correct? Can you just look how a beautiful risk reward can get you a good account? Now let's get to the sweet spot. Can you guys guess how much profit I have made from this account? So this is a 25 account. It's not 100 or 200 or 300k. So it's a 25 account. I have made close down to profit of $17,000. Okay, and I've made withdrawal of close to $9,000. Okay, that's very good. So this is from a 25k account which turned out to be free. I didn't pay, like I paid for the account, but I got refunded on my 4th payout. Now let's look at my trade history. I have an inclination towards a lucky number, so I always go with a lot sizing around 0.7 on live. On challenge phases, I might use a whole number, just my superstitious belief. So if you guys see all the gold lot size, I look at 0.77. Can you guys see how consistent I was the lot sizing? See 0.77, 0.77. And currency I would have taken 1.7 or 2.7. So you guys got the whole idea, right? Even with a smaller account, you can make good profits. It's not necessary you need a bigger account to make bigger profits. Yes, bigger accounts would help you with good drawdown, good leverage and stuff, but with good planned risk to reward and good consistency, it is achievable. It's just an example. See, I have no issue against people with very good win rate. That's good. If your strategy is working, if your win rate is working, go for it. I have no set of people who work with negative RR and still profitable. So it's there, they have adjusted their trading style according to it. Okay, so this is how I'm showing it. I'm just showing it that this is possible. You don't need a big win or a big RR to make big. Like the consistency also can make you a very good trader and get you a very good profit. Perfect. Hope you guys liked the video and use code AnandFX for 20% discount. They are currently running for new users. And if you guys have any doubts, please leave a comment and also subscribe and share, because you guys have to support me because we need to grow together. Thank you.